Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a brutal reality check evaluation of using Notion as your customer relationship management system to answer the ultimate question, is it actually worth it, or are you setting your business up for an absolute nightmare? Look, the promise of Notion is incredibly seductive, offering you a completely blank canvas where you can build custom relational databases, connect company pages, track deals on clean Kanban boards, and keep your entire workspace under one single tab without paying for separate expensive platforms. The immediate upside is flexibility and adoption, because unlike rigid legacy corporate systems, adding a custom property or building tailored pipeline views for different sales reps takes less than 10 seconds, and the page-based layout means your team will actually take long, detailed, heavily formatted call notes because the interface feels natural rather than clinical. With Notion's massive modern updates like custom AI agents and plan mode automation, you can even use natural language prompts to auto-summarize long interaction logs, tag team members, and format new lead data instantly without needing a complex programming background. However, trying to run a high-velocity, scaling sales pipeline inside Notion exposes some devastating architectural bottlenecks that you absolutely must consider before moving your operations. The absolute biggest trap is the total lack of native communication infrastructure, meaning you cannot log phone calls, text prospects, or track two-way email threads directly within the database, unless you spend hours building fragile, expensive third-party integrations through tools like Make or Zapier. Furthermore, as your database starts growing past a few thousand records, the system performance frequently turns sluggish, causing dashboard load times to spike and layout views to freeze when multiple team members are trying to collaborate simultaneously. Another major hurdle is that native cross-database automations are incredibly basic, lacking advanced conditional branching or sequential action chaining, which means you cannot automatically trigger an onboarding sequence in database B the exact second a deal is marked as closed won in database A. Ultimately, if you are a freelancer, content creator, or a tiny startup running a low-volume, relationship-driven sales model, where deep qualitative notes matter far more than automated volume, a Notion CRM is 100% worth it and will save you hundreds of dollars a month. But if you are an aggressive inside sales team that relies on heavy cold outreach, power dialing, live email tracking, and complex revenue forecasting dashboards, trying to twist Notion into a dedicated sales engine is a massive mistake that will heavily slow down your pipeline, meaning you are far better off investing in a purpose-built system like Close or HubSpot instead. Subscribe the channel for more videos.